and welcome to Dukascopy TV. Today we'll be looking at creating investment bridges between Switzerland and China. I'm joined by Director at BringSpring Technology, Dr. Moses Tree, and Managing Director at Quadia, Guillaume Taylor. Welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you, Shani.
Thank you so much.
Firstly, why are the Chinese interested in investing in Switzerland?
Yeah, well, it's a very good question because now is China and the Switzerland very close friends. It's my Prime Minister just come from here back, you know, the Davos World Economic. A lot of Chinese entrepreneurs come here. I think it's have some reason it's very important to support this topic. One is China have a big market potential for the Switzerland, but the Switzerland have high quality service and a financial and also other, you know, industry very complementary with the China. So and China now, you know, change the industry will be go ahead. So want to use the technology and the service level to help China to transfer a creative model for the next step. So Switzerland gave Chinese entrepreneur an open-minded, green and sustainable economy model. Will have a very big potential market now, especially now. You know the exchange rate is very strong here, but if I'm entrepreneurs, I will invest before 2 years ago. Again, yeah. So it's now European is a little you know is a suffer. So it's a good opportunity to invest. So I think it's. China and Switzerland need each other, is my point, yeah?
Would you agree?
Absolutely, absolutely. And we're trying to provide a platform to allow these Chinese individuals to come, learn about the Swiss market, learn about impact investing, which is very important for China, and allow the actual allocation of capital towards good investment opportunities.
So where are the opportunities for high net worth individuals in philanthropic causes, and what are they hoping to achieve by investing here?
Yeah, it's also the next step, a big opportunity for China, you know, high wealthy, you know, club. You know, recently as China, more and more young entrepreneurs grow up, they want to show the charity and the philanthropy point for the world, want to sharing the value of China, but they don't know how to do the professionally, how to do the field, which field is better value. So here is philanthropy. I want to say it is a very center of the world. They have a lot of big organization, philanthropy, foundation. So a lot of experience can to serving the China young entrepreneurs and wealthy individual. So step by step, I think they will find a lot of experience here, a lot of opportunity here to how to build a really good philanthropy organization, foundation. And also, you know, it's NGO, is social organization in China, step by step more important. Every society has three parts: the social and the government and private, you know. So, but China, the social is not so grow fast before. But now, step by step, the high wealthy, you know, the class, they will want to push the philanthropy foundation, the social organization grow up. But here, Switzerland is I think is the best place to study, to understand, to find the good opportunity and appearance, I think, yeah.
Yeah. Although Switzerland is not part of the European Union, Switzerland is at the center of Europe. And so you talked about bridging, creating a bridge between China and Switzerland in terms of investments. And so what we're also trying to do is to create a bridge between philanthropy and investment. So they both go hand in hand. And I think many of the Chinese individuals that we've been speaking to are attracted initially by philanthropic causes, but they also understand that they need to complement that with an investment strategy that provides support to those philanthropic strategy.
So that's fantastic, but why is impact investing a subject of interest?
Well, from the Chinese context, it's quite interesting. Dr. Tree was in Switzerland last year, and we're talking, and I was telling him the difficulty that we had as an organization, or many impact investing organizations are having a difficulty in getting allocation of capital into social and environmental causes. And Dr. Tree mentioned that here the issue, if you look at the environmental issue, go to the mountains, it's beautiful, the air is clean, relatively, the streets are clean. The social issues are very relative in Switzerland compared to some emerging markets. So allocating money to these causes is really an intellectual exercise. We're conscious of all these issues, but we don't really live them here. Go to China, different story. The high net worth individuals are living the environmental issues every day, and they're faced with great social issues. So impact investing is really the solution to remedy to these issues. Can't continue this unstoppable growth, and so impact investing is logical, and they understand this so well. It makes sense, and so it becomes very practical and necessary. So the Chinese are coming to Europe to learn about impact investing, to understand what it means, how you allocate capital towards these environmental and social issues. And the idea is really investing here. The markets are interesting, sophisticated, transparent, as Dr. Tree mentioned, but also to be able in due time to apply these methodologies in China, where impact investing is really needed.
Yeah, it's excellent concept impact investment, because China government have a lot of promise to do the green economy and to do in fact impact investment. China government, but in the private investment, they almost follow the financial income and profit. But recently, we together we meet Quadia and Guillaume. I understand, it's a very good way we can do the financial income, also at the same time the social value and the environment value together back. So if the investment somewhere to broken to pollution and to get the financial value, how to balance? So nowadays in China is a focus on this topic, but the concept in impact investment, in my mind, is a positive value investment. So we should do investment impact to positive impact.
It'll be fascinating to see what the future has in store for China and Switzerland. Thank you so much for joining me today, gentlemen.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
That's all from us here at the Dukascopy studio. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to keep clicking back to Dukascopy TV. Bye for now.